Good afternoon from a sunny Middleton. This is a 2019 69. It's got a cherished number plate at the minute, which is just going on retention. So it's a 2019 69 plate Fiat 500 1.2 Rockstar. That's top of the range, automatic in bossa nova white with these immaculate silver alloy wheels. 16,699 miles, just 2 owners, full service history. These are lovely spec. Now this includes the leather bound flat bottom steering wheel with controls for your phone and Bluetooth, digital dashboard, 7-inch TFT infotainment screen which includes sat-nav and Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as a DAB tuner, air conditioning. It's the automatic, easy drive automatic, and these have this grey dashboard with a colour keyed interior, like the sport model interior. It's all lovely inside. Definitely a no kids, no dogs, no smoker type car. Panoramic sunroof, a sporty little automatic. Looks great today in the sun. These have got the LED rear lights. That's what, there's the plates that will be going back on. 69. All lovely inside, rear headrests. I can see reversing sensors there. These have also got an electronic radar that comes up on the dashboard in reverse, so visual and sound. And a quick look from this side, we've got the contrast grey metallic dashboard, 7-inch infotainment we mentioned, the flat bottom steering wheel, electronic dashboard, the sport model seats with the unique pinstripe trim, sill plates, beautiful condition throughout this one. As I say, 2 owners, full service history, 16,699 miles. Full information on the website, which is middletonfiat.co.uk. That's middletonfiat.co.uk for a 2019 69 plate Fiat 500 1.2 Rockstar. That's top of the range, easy drive automatic in beautiful condition. Thanks for looking.